So this is the result of missing material inside the cat. You can see straight through it, and it'll definitely cause issues with the O2 and the ECU. So we're going to replace this with a aftermarket cat and see what we get. Stay tuned. So we got the cat out. We're going to be probably replacing this exhaust seal, and I'm going to replace this gasket here. So we're going to go with the aftermarket cat, and then we're going to see what this baby will do. Hopefully that will clear up the issues. Somebody probably either hollowed that cat out because they thought they were doing themselves justice, and you never do that, especially with a Honda. Alright, so there's many other options that you can do besides either hollowing the cat, which is never recommended, but that's what we got.